Hi students, today I Harinder Kaur once again in front of you with the easy ways to find all the factors of a number. Before I do all these factors, I would like to tell you one story. There was a king. During those days the people were not reading maths and English and all these subjects from the books. They used to gain the practical knowledge. The king was of a very small state and he had flair for numbers. He used to do kind of things with the numbers. Once he gave one number to many courtiers in his darbar. He said, I would like you to see the best use or to arrange the same number in different ways. The courtiers could not understand. But there was one small boy. He came with the answer. He said, sir, you had given me number 40. I can arrange all these 40 numbers in one row. I can divide this 40 number into two parts. I can divide this 40 number into 4 parts or 5 parts or many more parts. King was very pleased to know that. He wanted to know how to do all these, and this boy, he said that we can use division and multiplication to find these kind of arrangements. So children, the factors which I am going to teach you is an easy way to arrange the things in different ways. Factors are one of the two or more numbers that can divide the given number exactly and it doesn't leave any remainder behind. In my class also, children, they know how to take out the factors by using the rules of divisibility. But when they know that this is the factor, this number is divisible by 3 or 4, they are not able to take out the other factor of that number. So here I am going to teach you an easy way to take out the other factor also and to check all the factors of factors and multiples. So this is an easy way to find the factors. Children, let's take the number 36. As everybody knows, 1 is the smallest factor of every number. We have to make a pair of 1, the smallest factor, and the greatest factor of the given number, 1 into 36. So now this number 36 is an even number, so it will be divisible by 2 as well. So I am writing 2 here. Before that, I would like to tell you, we should keep in mind the counting from 1 to 9. We will be going by digit wise. So 1 and 2 is here, it has gone. When we are doubling this number 1 to 2, then we have to bring down to this number to half. Half of 36 is 18. Next digit is 3. 1 plus 8 is 9. So this number is divisible by 3. I will be dividing this 18 number with the next digit 3 and the answer is 6. 6 will be multiplied by second factor of this equation. So the answer is 12. I am writing here. Now, as this number 12 is here, according to the rule of divisibility, this number can be divided by 4 also. So 12 divided by 4 is 3 and 3 will be multiplied by the other factor, that is 9. I have written 4 into 9. 4 9s the 36. Next digit is 5, as the last digit is 6. So it cannot be divided by 5. Next number is 6. As both the digits 2 and 3 are there, so it will be divisible by 6 as well. And 6 6 the 36 come here easily. You know, sometime you don't need to multiply or divide. You can take out the answer easily if you know the tables. Okay. Now, let me take another number. Which number I should take? I think I should take 56. 56, once again 1 and 56, the smallest and the greatest factor of that number, 1 and the number itself. That makes one pair. Now another pair is, as this is an even number, so I am going to divide it by 2. And when 56 is divided by 2, half of 56 is 28. Okay, children? Now, next digit is number 3. We have to check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. 2 plus 8 is 10. So, this number cannot be divisible by 3. So, I am writing down these digits here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 and 10. Now, children, 1 and 2 I have done. As this number is not going by 3, so all the multiples of 3 should be cancelled. Okay. Now, next number is 4. I have made this number double. So, what do I have to do? I have to make it half of the number. Next number is 5. For 5, the rule of divisibility says there should be 0 or 5. So, it's not there. Next number is 7, as 6 has been cut off. 7 2's the 14. So, we will write 7 here. 14 divided by 7 is 2 multiplied by the first factor with it, and then the number comes 8. So, children, 7 and 8, there is no number in between. The sum gets over here. I am going to teach you another sum. Now, another number will be given to you, and let's take out the answer of that also. Now, I take number 142. Once again, you will say that, okay, ma'am, smallest factor and the greatest factor. 1 into 142. As this number is an even number, so let me bring down this number to half, that is 71. Here, no need to go further to digit 3, as 71 is a prime number, and I have taught you how to find out all the prime numbers in my previous video. Please go and check what are the prime numbers, and that is an easy way or the trick to teach you to take out all the prime numbers. Let's take another number, 243. As this number, the last digit is not an even number, so it means this number will not be divisible by any even number. Let me write down these numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Please strike off all these numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 as these are even numbers. We can check by odd numbers now. 243. It is a group of 1 into 243. Another number is, digit is number 3. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 3, 9. So, 9 is divisible by 3. I am going to write one of the factors, 3 here. Now, 243 divided by 3, it's very easy. We can divide the number. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s the 3. 81 has come here. So, let's cut this number 3 here as well. Next digit is 5 and the last digit of the number is 3. It is not 0 or 5, so it cannot be divisible by 5. Next is 7. Please check the last number, 81. Is this number divisible by 7? I have told you all the rules of divisibility in my previous video. If you are not clear on this aspect, please go and see those videos to make your learning little deeper. 81 is not divisible by 7, but the next digit is number 9. 8 plus 1 is 9, so this number can be divided by 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. I have written here. Now this 9 has to be multiplied by the second factor. This biggest factor has to be divided, and whatever the answer you get as quotient, that has to be multiplied. 9 into 3 is 27. So 27 will come here. Alright. Now how to find that whether this number can go further or not? The factors of these numbers are 9 into 3. And 9 and 3 factors have already come here. So this sum gets over here. Yes, bache. Next number is 250. This is the number which is ending with an even number. 0 is an even number. Another characteristic is that it is ending with 0. So this number will be divisible by 5 as well as 10 also. First of all, the smallest and the biggest factor. Then, as it is an even number, so please bring down it to half. Half of 250 is 125. Half of 200 is 100 and 25 is the half of 50. So now, if we are going to add 2 plus 5 is 7, it cannot be divisible by 3. Now, the last digit is 5 here, it will not be divisible by 4 as well. But this number will be divisible by the next digit 5. So, let me divide 125 by 5. The answer is 25 and multiplied by 2. It will be 50. Now, the factors of 50 are 5, means we are going to divide it into two parts, 5 and 10. 10 can come here. 7 and 9 cannot divide this number 50. So that is why we have picked up number 10. Now 50 divided by 10, the answer is 5. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Now the sum gets over here. Children, I think that I am able to do justice with the factors. The main thing is you have to do all these factors in your notebook and never ever try to memorize the factors. Try to build up the factors. Thank you.